What's up guys, today we are at Exsim, Penang South Gallery. So we will take a look for their new launch project, Lighthouse and Keeperz. So it's a brief introduction, hope you like it, let's go! So for Exsim, this new project in Penang 1 is located nearby to Waterfront here, the PWCC. Okay, this is the Penang Bridge. So for our location to the Penang Airport is around 12 km. So the location is located over here. So the Keeperz is more closer to the sea coast. The lighthouse is a bit behind. So the opposite here, this will be a Lotus. And this is a future LRT. So LRT, this is Penang LRT, the new line. It will be completed on 2031. So our location is over here. Alright, so this is the Keeperz. So behind this will be the lighthouse. So Keeperz will be a lower floor, around 22 level only. Then the rooftop there, this will be the swimming pool. Then downstairs they will have a short. Then this side, you go over there, you will go to the Penang Convention Center. Then some of the short also in front. So behind here, this is the lighthouse. Then behind that, it will be the LRT. So for this Keeperz, they will only have two layouts. So lighthouse only have two layouts. So one is 2 bed 1 bath. The other one will be 2 bed 2 bath. Special about the 2 bed 1 bath is that the toilet and the bathroom is separate one. So you can go bath, you can go toilet. So this layout is roughly similar as the Causeway Square. So let's see. Okay, we are at their first show unit. This is a 2 bed 1 bath, 484 square feet. So this is Keeperz, the first show unit. So for the show unit inside, they will have a kitchen cabinet, okay, dining, then living, then this is the first bedroom, okay, then the toilet is actually over here. So as mentioned, this toilet will separate into your shower area, okay, and then this area is for you to brush your teeth, toothbrush, everything. So the master bedroom is actually over here. So this is a 2 bed 1 bath, okay, 484 square feet. So let's go to the second showroom. Okay, we are entering the second showroom. This is the 2 bed 2 bath, 581 square feet. So for Keeperz, this is also a dual key concept. Okay, this is one door, the other one is over here. So this concept is similar like the Causeway Square. So similar that is doing for Airbnb unit. Then this location is located in Penang and is just beside of the LRT station. Then they also provided mana-mana, the Airbnb service at your doorstep lah. Which means once you get the key, you hand over to them. You don't need to worry about the rental, the Airbnb service. Don't need to find your own. Then because this is a Penang where a lot of tourism happening, it's a good place to buy if you are planning for investment. But if you are looking for a on-stay one, you can go to see the next project. Okay, so we come to the second project for the Penang one. This is the lighthouse. So the lighthouse is mainly focused more to on-stay one or long-term rental, because the square feet here will be much more bigger. The smaller is from 732 square feet up to 1001 square feet. So they only have two types, 2 bedroom and then 3 bedroom. So the 3 bedroom is actually like left and right side or one side of the bedroom. So you can see the facade is similar like this. So for your info, this is the main entrance. Okay, the car park is from level ground floor up to level 8. Then this here, this side, this will be the future LRT. Then opposite, this will be the Lotus there. Okay, so behind there, this facing over here, this will facing the Seaview, Penang River, Penang Bridge. Okay, so in front here, this will be the Keeperz lah. Okay, then the facility floor is at level 8. Then from level 9 up to the rooftop, 54 is all the unit. Up to here, this is the rooftop facility. Okay, so for facility, similar, Exsim will design a very good facility for you to use lah. The first show unit, 732 square feet. Okay, so once you enter, okay, this is your dining, then your kitchen area, and then the bathroom is actually left and right. Okay, left and right. Then in front there, they have either balcony or don't have balcony. So for this showroom purpose, this one is don't have balcony. If you want balcony, it's over here. Over here. Okay. Then the one toilet is share. So this layout is similar with the Causeway 2-bedroom layout, type D2. So for this kind of layout, it's much more privacy convenience because the bedroom is not coming out, then you can straight away meet with each other, or when you go back to your bedroom, you don't need to go with each other lah. Okay, like this. Okay, if you are facing in front the LRT station there, then you can see Lotus over here. So this is the master with own toilet. So this is the 2-bed, 3-bed 2-bath, 101 square feet with the bedroom is separate left and right. Okay. It's a similar 2-bedroom layout lah, but this one special is that one master is over here, the other 2-bedroom is beside. Okay, so similar once you go in. So the bedroom for this one will be a bit bigger comparing with the last show unit lah. Okay, so the master is over here. So you can see this is a king size bed. Okay, and a wardrobe, then the toilet. Then outside is actually have a yard also. Okay, the yard is over there. Okay, this is the kitchen cabinet, digital lock. Then inside here, this will be the other bedroom. Bedroom number 1. Then the shared toilet over here. Then bedroom number 2. So this type, the bedroom will be a bit bigger lah, comparing with the last showroom. So let's go to the last show unit. This is the 3-bed 2-bath with the bedroom all in one side. So there will be a long corridor go until the end lah. Okay, so let's go. So actually we are with the balcony side here. Balcony side. So once go in, so this is the living room, dining. So there is no more bedroom over here. The bedroom will be all in one side. It's over here. Okay. At the end there, this will be the master loft. So the dining, kitchen cabinet, and then we have a yard. So I think one thing special about this project is that they provide you with 2 separate ones, dryer and washer. So some of the project in JB mostly they will give with 2 in 1. This one they provide with separate one. Okay. So in the back, the kitchen cabinet. Okay, and then go inside. This is the toilet, shared toilet. Then the bedroom number 1. So because the bedroom is on one side, so the bedroom will be slightly smaller comparing with just now one. The bedroom number 2. Then we go to the bedroom, master bedroom. So the master toilet. Also similar, they put a king size in the master, but because it's one straight line, the corridor, so for this type, the 2-bedroom will be slightly smaller. So I think the other benefit for this project is that they also come with a smart home system. So that's why I say this project is more to on-stay or long-term people. Then the location-wise in the future is much more convenient. At the completion year for this project is also 2030. Then the completion for the LRT is 2031. So in the end, when this construction finished already, the LRT also almost complete. So you can rent to people who is standing nearby, want to come here for the convention center, all these kind of people. That's about it for today's small preview for the Penang Exsim project. So if you want to know more, press the contact button, then I will send you to my Penang colleague who is more familiar with all this project. Remember to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video.